I am from GoGrass Maths. I am going to explain question number 20, exercise 6.3. Find the equation of the normal at the point am square comma am cube for the curve y square dot a equal to x cube. Now come out to solution here. Implied that here you can see we have to find out the equation of the normal at the point this one am square comma am cube for the curve this one. First of all, I shall get first order derivative of the curve in order to get the slope of the tangent to the curve. Here I shall write the given curve ay square equal to x cube. Again I shall write implied that a y square equal to x cube. A y square equal to x cube. I have written. Differentiating both sides with respect to x implied that d over dx of ay square equal to d over dx of x cube. We shall get here a is the content. Here a is a content. The a will be popped out here. Dot d over dx of y square equal to d over dx of x cube comes out to be 3x square. We have got. Again I shall write implied that here write a d over dx of y square comes out to be 2y dot dy over dx equal to 3x square we shall get. So again I shall write dy over dx equal to 3x square over 2ay. This thing we have got. Again I shall write at the point am square comma am cube dy over dx implied that dy over dx at point am square comma am cube equal to here x is equal to am square we have got. Here I 3. In place of x I shall write am square का whole square whole over 2a In place of y I shall write a m cube. This thing I have got. So again I shall write dy over dx at point am square comma am cube is equal to, here we will get 3 a square m raised to the power 4 whole over 2 a square m raised to the power 3. This thing we have got. So what we will do next? Next I is equal to this a square will be cancelled out. So here we will get 3 over 2 m raised to the power 4 over m cube comes out to be m. So in center write m. Hence we have got the slope of the tangent hence the slope of the tangent at the point am square comma am cube. Slope of the tangent and point am square comma am cube. We have got 3 over 2 dot m. This value we got m. Hence now the slope of the normal at the point am square comma am cube comes out to be -1. This is the formula we must remember. -1 over 3 over 2 m. In this way we shall write equal to -2 over 3m. 3 will multiply to m. You will get here 3m. These 2 will be pushed back in numerator. You will get here -2. Now the slope of the normal at the point am square comma am cube, you have got -2 over 3m. Now again I shall write the equation of the normal at point am square comma am cube. The equation of the normal at point am square comma am cube. We shall get y minus y1. y1 I shall write write this one am cube. So here write am cube equal to y minus y1. y1 I shall take am cube equal to m. M here is slope of the normal. We have got minus 2 over 3m. In bracket x minus x1 I shall write x minus am square. This thing you have got. Now simplify this one. And simplification you will get here. Here 3m will multiply to y. So here we will get 3m y minus 3m will multiply to am cube. So here you will get 3a m raised to the power 4. 4 I shall write 4 equal to minus 2 will multiply to x comes out to be minus 2x. Minus minus will multiply plus. Here you get 2a m square. This thing will got. Now what will do net? Net I shall write implied that 2x 3my plus 2x minus 3a m raised to power 4 minus 2a m square equal to 0. This will be the equation of the normal at point am square comma am cube. Now I shall check the answer whether the answer is correct or not with the key point here. Here we have got 2x plus 3my minus 3am raised power 4 minus 2am square equal to 0. So this one you have got. So here again I can write very well in sequence 2x plus 3m y minus 3a m raised to the power 4 minus 2a m square equal to 0. This thing you have got. So this is the equation of normal at am square comma am cube. Two x plus 3my minus 3am raised power 4 minus 2am square equal to 0. This is the equation of normal at point am square comma am cube. This is the complete solution of question number 20 that has been taken from exercise 6.3 chapter 6 application of derivative tangent and normal of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.